Use this meditation to make anyone you desire be all over you whenever you would like, 24/7. This meditation is crafted to align your subconscious mind with the reality where you are in a loving relationship with your person and they are giving you 100% of their attention. Dive deep into this transformative experience and watch your desires manifest effortlessly. Now let's begin. They are magnetized towards me. They want me more than I want them. They are begging for my attention and love. They are obsessed with me. They love courting me. They are always surprising me with gifts. They are impressing me all the time. They are always flirting with me. They fall in love with me at first sight. My existence, scent, smile, voice, and personality make them crazily in love with me. They love being all over me. They always protect me. They always try to win my love. They are respectful towards me. They always feel the need to take care of me. They always look out for me. They always protect me. They treat me like royalty. They worship me. They drop everything they're doing just to talk to me. They cry for me. They crave me. They beg for me. They write love letters to me. They confess their love for me every day. They do anything to get my attention. They do anything to make me smile. They put in all the effort to be with me. They are respectful towards me. They are instantly attracted to me. They always want to be in my life. They always want to be around me. They give me all of their attention. They only focus on me. They always give me compliments. They are always so nice to me. They tell everyone how much they love me. They come whenever I need them. They come whenever I want them. They go crazy for my attention. They want me so bad. They make me feel so special all the time. They want to be with me forever. I am all they think about. They are committed to always pursuing me. They care so much about me. They always surprise me with gifts. They always confess their love for me. They always love staring at me. They have everlasting love for me. They are so determined to show me how much they actually love me. They love me and only me. They choose me before anyone else. They do over-the-top gestures to impress me all the time. They declare their love for me. They explain to others how much they love me. They deeply care about me. They always offer me help. They always try to make me smile. They constantly want to talk to me. They are so nice to me. They want to know me better. They treat me so good all the time. They compliment me every time I walk by. They invite me out all the time. They want to take pictures with me all the time. They fantasize so intensely about me all the time. They are all over me. They love me so deeply. They can't live without me. They desperately seek my attention. They watch my social media continuously. They always return, willing to change everything just for me. Their soul yearns for me. They are utterly addicted to me. Their life's purpose is to be with me. They shower me with love and devotion. They can only think of me. They desperately want and need me. They can't focus on anything else because they are fixated on thoughts of me. I am their lifeline. They feel weak without me. They are deeply obsessed with me. They just want to be in my arms. They need me in their life immediately. They are extremely needy for me. They are thoroughly addicted to my presence. Without me, they feel like they are losing their mind. Without me, they feel utterly lost. They are always pleading for my attention. They are very open about their feelings for me. They constantly show their love for me. Their obsession with me grows stronger every minute. They will always have a deep need for me. They are always eager to kiss and hug me. They constantly find comfort in my presence. They will do anything to keep me with them. They need me as a central part of their life. They feel they can't survive without me. I frequently appear in their dreams. They daydream about me often. They are falling deeply in love with me. They chase me nonstop. They consistently reach out to me. They are desiring to be with me right now. It is already done. Type, they are desiring to be with me right now to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.